Setting up a Paychex Flex account is a straightforward process that enables you to access payroll, HR, and benefit services seamlessly. Here's how to get started. Visit the Paychex Flex website. Open your browser and go to Paychex Flex. Click on the Sign Up or Sign In button. Account creation. Choose New User. If you are setting up your account for the first time, click Sign Up under the Login section. Enter employer-provided details. Provide the personal or employment information required, such as your social security number, employee ID, or a company-specific code. These details are usually provided by your employer. Create login credentials. Set up a username and password that meet the security requirements. Provide a valid email address or mobile number for verification purposes. Verify your identity. Complete the identity verification process by entering the confirmation code sent to your email or phone. Accept the terms and conditions to finalize the setup. Access your account. Log in with your new credentials to access your Paychex Flex dashboard. Update your profile, set up direct deposit, and explore payroll or benefits features as needed.